Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Hyundai Genesis Coupe, updated. Warm the engine briefly, park on level ground, and set the parking brake. Wear gloves and eye protection while working. Lay out a drain pan and tools within reach. Loosen the oil cap to aid draining, then jack and support the car if needed. Work methodically, keep the area tidy, and have rags ready for spills to avoid mess and mistakes. Begin by placing the drain pan under the oil pan and loosening the drain plug with a 14 mm socket. Let the oil drain completely and inspect the plug and crush washer for wear. While draining, clean the area and prepare the new filter. Remove the old filter carefully to limit spills, then clean the mounting surface before installing the new filter hand tight, plus a quarter turn for a secure seal. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more garage tips. Quick recommendation: pick up those leak-proof containers to store used oil, spare filters, or small parts without worrying about drips or mess. They really save cleanup time and frustration. I use them to keep my workspace tidy between service steps. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After installing the new filter and tightening the drain plug, refill the engine with 5W30 oil to the recommended capacity. Replace the oil cap, start the engine briefly, and watch the oil pressure light to confirm proper circulation. Shut off the engine and recheck the oil level with the dipstick, topping up if needed. Finally, inspect under the car and around the filter for any signs of leaks before lowering the car.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.